Okay, now I will teach you about simple interest. Okay, simple interest can be divided into two, which is future value and present value. So the formula of future value is S, which is future value, equal to P bracket 1 plus RT close the bracket. While the present value formula is P equal to S bracket 1 plus RT close the bracket the power of 1, negative 1. Okay, so the example that we can do from this type of interest, if you invest RM 1000 in a saving account at a 3% annual simple interest rate, what is the value of the account after 10 years? Okay, so first and foremost, we bring out the information that can be clear from this question. So P equal to 1000, R, which is rate, equal to 3%, and T, that stand for years, is equal to 10 years. Okay, so we know that this question asks us to find the future value because we want to know the value after 10 years. Okay, so we just bring the future value formula and bring this term to this formula. Okay, S equal to 1000, which is present, bracket 1 plus 0.03, which is the rate, and minus with 10, which is year. Okay, so we just simplify it into we just minus it here, plus 1 plus 0.3, and last but not least, we can get the answer, which is 1300.
Now for compound interest, how to find the future value. The question is, suppose that Amin has 500 in his saving account. After 3 years, the account amounted to RM 588.38 cents. If interest was compound semi-annually, find the nominal rate of interest compound semi-annually that was earned by money. First step, we must do a formula, which is S equal to P bracket equals to P bracket 1 plus I times M, which is S stand for future, equals to present value, stand P present for present value, bracket 1 plus I stand for interest, and stand for period. Now move to the answer. Step 588.38 cents equal to present, which is 500, bracket 1 plus interest, and the period 6, and then 588.38 divided by 500 equals to 1 plus I times to 6. And we move 6 to the front, so become the power of 6 equals 1 plus I, and got 1.18 equals to 1 plus I, and 5.03, 1 plus I, 0.03 equals to I. Then how to find the nominal rate? I equals to J per M. The step is 0.03 equals to J divide by 2, and then we got 0.06 equals to J, then J is 0.06%, which is the answer of the nominal rate from the compound interest.
Okay, now we move to compound present. Okay, example 1. Lydia would like to earn 1,000 ringgit after 3 years. What is the present amount should she save now to earn the state amount if the interest rate is 9% compound monthly? Okay, for this we use a formula. P equal S bracket 1 plus R bracket negative N. P stand for present, S stand for future, R stand for rate, and N stand for times. Okay, now we write firstly S is the future value equal 1,000 times is 3 years equal 12 times 3 plus 3 years 12 months times 3 years equal 36 months. Okay, the rate is 0.09, is 9%, equal 0.09 divide 12. Okay, let's say we use this formula. P present value equal 1,000 bracket 1 plus 0.09 divide 12 bracket negative 36. So the answer is RM 764 ringgit 50 cents. That's for compound interest for search for present value.
So now we looking for the annuity present value, where the formula is A equals R open bracket 1 minus 1 plus R power of N divide R close bracket. So we're looking for the question. Find the present value of an ordinary annuity with quarterly payments of RM 250 for 40 years at 7.25% compound quarterly. When we looking the quarterly terms, we can know we need to divide of 4 or times 4. So we carry out all the information that he gave. We can know the periodic payment is 250. The rate is 7.725 divided 4 because of quarterly compounded, and the number of annuity payment is 40 times 4 because of quarterly compounded. So for the solution, we just add all the information to this formula. So for the solution, A as a present value, so are the periodic payment, we can know is 250. We open bracket 1 minus 1 plus rates 0.075725 divide 4, and we power of negative 160.
we divide all this for the 0.025 divide 4. So, we can finalize the answer by the calculator, and we got the present value is 1,304.
So for the next question, we are looking for the annuity future value. So the formula for annuity future value, which is FV equals to R open bracket 1 plus I the power of n minus 1 divide by I. So the question is 1,000 is invested every 3 months of 4.8%, which compounded quarterly. How much will the annuity worth in 10 years? So the information provided, we must to take the information to the formula. So 1,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.012 the power of n minus 1 and divide by 0.012. Then we get 1,000 open bracket 1.012 the power of 40 minus 1 and divide by 0.012, because the information has been given, which is R equals 1,000, I 0.048 must to divide by 4, because the question want compounded quarterly, so we must divide by 4, and the answer is 0.012, and we must do times 4 times 10, which is equal to 40. So when the information that we take the information to the formula, and then we get the answer 50,955.30.